How to report a Lost Monzo card in app. Welcome, and this quick guide will show you how to report a Lost Monzo card using the Monzo mobile app. This ensures your money stays safe and you get a replacement as soon as possible. First, open the Monzo app on your smartphone. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once inside the app, make sure you're on the Home tab. This is where you can see your balance and account details. Next, tap on the Monzo card image or the card management area. This will take you to options related to your card. From the card menu, select Report Card Lost or Stolen. This tells Monzo that your card is no longer in your possession. You'll be asked to confirm your action. Once confirmed, Monzo will immediately freeze your card to prevent unauthorized use. Finally, follow the prompts to order a replacement card. You may need to confirm or enter your delivery address, and your new card will be sent shortly.